Pero we are underway, and the first serve, Ramirez receiving. Hello, first block. Louis sends it high. Villado sets. Garcia flies. Boy, first exchange. Mabigat na kagad. Hindi bumabagsak ang bola. Hinulog. Sumisigaw na ang mga tao. Jude Garcia's block.
That's a block point for Team Passion.
Unang rally pa lang yun, ha? Ganun sila kaseryoso.
Unang rally pa lang, nagwawala na ako. Ano ba yan? Pakipaalala na 2 games yung gagawin natin.
And this is even an exhibition game. Parang official game siya. Ganun yung vibes natin.
Panay ang kantsaw ko sa mga yan, doon sa mga meals at saka sa mga meet and greet. Sabi ko, bilisan nyo, gusto ko na umuwi. Oy, Alexis.
Appreciate it as well.
In the meantime, it's a 6-4 count. Oh, Ramirez flying. And Torres unable to handle that in the deep corner. The count is 6-5.
Ano lang ang lamang. Team Passion.
And Jude Garcia is set to serve. Kenneth Natividad getting the floater there, curling and curving. In the meantime, the set by Imperial. Whoa! That's on target. Si Vince Imperial, cool na cool lang mag-set yan.
Fan interactions na abangan. So if you're
Yeah.
near the Candon City Arena, might as well watch live.
May skills competition. Dalawa, tumalon. Inulugan sila. Si Campton at si Ramirez nagkabuhol-buhol. Panorin niyo ito, ha?
Careful. All-star game, but we don't want any injury.
Correct on that. Too many of them, we couldn't include them in the introductions. Oh, what a set on the quick. That'll work for Josaphat.
Ayan talaga yung advantage ng team nila. Most of their starters are from the King Crunchers. Villados dishing up that a quick set.
Sino lang
Papunta kay Josaphat.
Sino lang hindi? Of course, Candon has been host to a number of great sporting events. Even the PBA has played here already. In the meantime, Calados attempt rejected. A set by Villados. Back row strike. Kept in play very nicely that time. They will toss it over, however. Reverse. Yo!
Yan ang pagkakamali nyo. Sabi ni Kim Malabunga. Give them a free ball. Automatic fast play from the blue team. Team Power. We're now in.
Let's see if... great reception. Umandal! As a center ba, pagka magandang ding na ganun, gusto mo ibigay doon sa nag-ding. Depende sa play, of course. You know?
Depende rin sa sistema because sometimes they do want to give those
EJ
sets.
Casanya, who plays for AAP, of course, and Isay plays for Chris Cross. Campton shoots and delivers. 2-point lead by Power, and Campton now has his first point. Pinupulitan niya si Campton kanina, no? Gulo-gulo niya.
Sabi nga niya, mag-5 sets na tayo.
Kami nandito lang. Here's Malabunga's serve in play. Dalanoche, it's still in play. It's chaseable, but they are unable to do so. That will now give Power a 3-point lead in this opening set at 19-16. Coach Tai calls a timeout. He's smiling. He'll just try to calm down his troops. Arsenio, Seb Sarmenta, Neil Flores, Texas Tinsay, your Candon All-Star trio here with our Signal and One Sports team. Combining here, this one will work, and the serve changes hands as Colinares will go to the service area. Oh, there's ayan na, nag-signal na.
Yan na.
Ayan na, explain mo to, Neil.
By Popoy Colinares, we will show it to you.
Yan. It is the premier
Point. We're bringing the hearts of volleyball directly to Candon City.
So
That
pag
means
pag na-score, 2 points. Okay.
Walang 2 points sa volleyball, pero sa All-Stars meron.
Pag nagkamali itong nakapula, 2 points pupunta sa kabila.
And the ball is also different. Ayun lang.
Ayun.
Nag-backfire.
Ayun.
So,
Yung 2 points pupunta doon sa kabila.
2 points will be awarded to Team Power.
fun, ano? Parang 4-point shot ng basketball. Okay,
Lalo
sige.
na pag naghahabol ka, you can call
naman,
on that 3-year
How many can you call? How many?
Only 1%.
Only one. Okay, so we get point na sa... Oh, sila rin.
Sila din.
rin. Gusto ko umuwi na maaga nito mga to. Oh. Okay.
It's going to be worth 2 points.
Diba si Villados tawa ng tawa. Sige, total naman fun game eh, no? Ayan, tingnan natin. Nako! They want to score! It's still in play. It's kept alive. De La Noche digs it over. A chance to set. Villados, Campton! Oh, yes, sir! 2 points.
Thank you for the 4 points. Team Passion.
And Campton went over to Coach Stein. You like that, Coach? You like that?
That's the way to speed things up.
Oh, nga, no? And all of a sudden, it's 23 treated to a delightful addition here. That's a big one. Gopeteo with a wicked shot.
Cold-blooded swing from Alche Gupiteo dahil malaki-laki ang kakabulin nila. 5 points to tie.
So siguro sa stats, ano, yung sino mismo. In the meantime, this serve, down the middle it goes. Whoa! Neatly done. Osapat drilling it into the middle.
Now a 6-point lead for Team Power.
Sabi siguro ni Coach Tybon, can we change places, Sydney? Because my players aren't with you.
6 set points for Team Power.
Nicely done. Nako, pero buhay pa, oh. Ramirez punches it. And we are done with the first set. And sino bang umiscore?
Jude Garcia.
Si Jude Garcia
The
na.
final point. So Team Power will draw first blood in our Spikers Turf All-Stars Showcase.